Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we will take this vase and make it into something really beautiful. I'm going to use mirror tile in pink crushed glass, so stay tuned. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take 3 rolls of mirror tile, and I'm going to glue 4 individual strips of the tile onto the vase. And now I'll go directly across from this. And now I'll go between these two, right in the center. Now one directly across. Now I'll take 4 rolls of the mirror tile and put it between each set of mirrors. Okay, so this is what we have now. So the next thing I'm going to do is take the mirror tile with the 3 rolls on it, and I'm going to take away 9 squares, and that's going to give me a diamond shape, and I'm going to put that right in the center, just like that. And I'm going to put one below it as well. Okay, so that's all I'm doing for the mirror. Alright, so this is the pink crushed glass that I'll be using. And if I'm not mistaken, my moderator slash daughter, Vanessa, sent me this. She's my Glam Fam daughter. She's one of us. Here's the label and the SKU. And it came in the bag like this. Okay, now, although my nail polish is not perfect, I do want to keep what I have on. So I'm going to put on this glove because this will do a number on your nails. Have this cup, and I had Mod Podge in it already. And I'm going to add some more Mod Podge to the cup. And now I'm set. So I'm just going to put my hand right on the inside. I have a large paintbrush and a small paintbrush. And I'm going to use a smaller paintbrush to go around my diamonds and to get in the corners and along the side of the mirror tile. put it on rather thickly. Now I'll just pour it on top and pat it down. Now this Dollar Tree dish is a little shallow, so I would recommend getting something a little taller to keep from spilling your crushed glass all over your surface. So just look and see wherever you need to move the crushed glass. You want to move it away from your mirror and from the bottom of your candle holder. So I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, so I continue to go around and do the other two sides and then come back. So I'm going to let this dry. Then I'll come back and fill in any open spaces that needs more crushed glass. Okay guys, I'm back and the Mod Podge is dry. So now I'm just going to take the smaller brush, dip it into the Mod Podge, and put it on the exposed glass, and then add more crushed glass to it. So now I just go around and knock off any glass that's on the mirror. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see it's completely dry. So now I'll seal the Mod Podge in place. I have a small amount of water in this cup, so I'm just going to add some Mod Podge to it. And the ratio is like 2/3 water, 1/3 Mod Podge. And I'm going to use the wide brush to mix this up. So now I'll just dip my brush into the mixture and pat it on top of the crushed glass. And this is going to seal it in place. Don't worry if you get some on the mirror, you can wipe it off later. Now to add a little bit more sparkle to the glass, I'm going to use some fine silver glitter. A really small amount. Just like that. Okay, just like that. So now I'll let this completely dry, then come back and glue a candle holder to the bottom. Okay guys, I'm back. The adhesive is pretty much dry. So what I'm going to do now is glue this on the bottom. And again, I'll be using my Gorilla Glue. I'm going to put some right on the top. Put this right in the center. So I'm going to allow that to dry, light it up and let you guys see what it looked like. I want to show you guys what I always use inside of my candle holders. I like to use these voltage from Dollar Tree because I don't want the wax to melt inside of my candle holder. So yeah, use these when you can find them. I have a very special shout out to Miss Tracy Leelard. She's my very first channel membership member. Guys, I have enabled channel memberships. So please check it out. You'll see a sign under my video that says join. So go there. I have 3 different tiers that you can choose from. My first tier is super inexpensive. So yeah, go check it out. I look forward to seeing you all there. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please be so kind enough to leave me a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to comment, share, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.